Ah, hindi ka. Ano mo motor mo? Wag na, nako. Isa-sedan ko na lang. Sa sedan, 250 lang. Dalawa na. Dapat kanina sinabi sa... Oo, sa sedan na lang ako. Cancel ko na lang. Oo, sige, sige ha. Negative. Talo ako. Sedan na lang, 200 lang yata. Okay.
Don't take too long, I need you here. I haven't gone to war me, and since I am the kind of friend you know would stay to you through all the pain.
Open.
Open.
Please.
Ready to listen to where you've been through the wrongs of us and share each other's voice. Cause you
Ito nga.
been down once before and get a voice of you. It doesn't really matter if now quite the same. We are the rules and different ways. We play the games of different
Here, okay, open.
with different strokes.
Where do we put it?
欢迎搭乘，请系安全带，已经北市对绿地北。
Wait lang. Anong... Ikaw muna sa...
Saan nilalagay ito?
Wait lang. May.
Thank you.
It only darkens now and then.
Hello.
Just the time,
Hello.
just know that they will
Where's that?
look
Wala. Cancel na lang nga. Kaysa magdoble ako, another 200 na naman.
we are. May have gone a different way. But
Hindi.
since
Basta ibaba mo na lang. Na-stress ako doon na lang sa sasakyan para isahan. Isang 200 na lang.
stay, no matter what
Ah.
could be.
Oo.
When it's a outcome of the rain.
Okay, sige.
Ready to say, we're here to say in every way. Although we got our different points of view, we've been down once before. Look at our voice of view. It doesn't really matter if they never quite the same. We are the roles in different ways. We play the games of different strokes with different strokes and never really change points of view. Been down once before, we'll get our points
What is that? Maghuhulog ka sa ano?
It
Saan? Sa kantahan.
doesn't really matter if they're never quite the same.
Magbabayad ka.
We are the
Maghuhulog yan. Anak
rules
negosyo
of
yan.
different ways. We play the games of different
Sa
strokes
kwesa ng hulugan na
with
lang.
different
Wala.
strokes
Pinakalas niya lang.
and different
Ano?
Pinakalas niya lang.
YouTube lang di.
of you. Okay, thank you.
Good.
Okay, thank you.